Have you ever wondered how Paris looks from the sky? Imagine the city of light, its iconic landmarks, and the Seine River from a bird's perspective. Today we'll embark on a unique journey, exploring this grandeur from a drone's eye view. First up, the Eiffel Tower. Standing tall at a staggering 330 meters, it's not just the pride of Paris, but a symbol of France's ingenuity. Gustave Eiffel's masterpiece, completed in 1889, held the title of the world's tallest man-made structure for 4 decades. More than just a tourist attraction, this iron lattice tower serves as a radio transmission tower and an observatory deck. Next, we fly over the historic Notre Dame Cathedral. This masterpiece of French Gothic architecture dates back to the 12th century. Its stained glass windows, flying buttresses, and the gargoyle-adorned towers make it an architectural marvel. Remember, it took almost 2 centuries to build Notre Dame, a testament to the city's resilience and dedication. As we sweep along the Seine River, the Louvre Museum comes into view. Once a royal palace, it now houses one of the world's most extensive art collections. From the ancient Mona Lisa to the Venus de Milo, the Louvre is a treasure trove of human creativity and expression. Our drone then hovers over the Champs-Élysées, one of the world's most famous avenues. Stretching for nearly 2 kilometers, it connects the Arc de Triomphe to the Place de la Concorde. It's not just a boulevard, it's a symbol of French elegance and style. Lastly, we circle around the Sacré-Cœur, a basilica that crowns the city. Perched atop the Montmartre hill, it offers panoramic views of Paris. Its white domes stand in stark contrast to the city's gray rooftops, a beacon of hope and peace in the bustling metropolis. So, there you have it, a bird's-eye tour of Paris. We've covered some of the city's most iconic landmarks: the Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame Cathedral, the Louvre Museum, the Champs-Élysées, and the Sacré-Cœur. Each landmark, with its unique history and architectural brilliance, contributes to the city's rich cultural tapestry. This journey, high above the City of Light, offers a fresh perspective on these familiar sights, revealing the true beauty of Paris. From the sky, the city unfolds like a grand masterpiece, a testament to human creativity and resilience.